Yo, good morning everybody. Woke up today feeling amazing. Before we get started with today's install for the GTR, I want to drop a couple words for you guys. Just want to let you guys know, don't be afraid to follow your dreams. It sounds really cliche, but that's what I did, and look at this. So every once in a while, I like to take a step back and just reflect on how everything is going, and my life has changed so much. And I know that you guys can do it too. There's a lot of people that are too afraid to take the next step because they don't believe in themselves. Well, I believe in you guys, and I know that you guys can do it. You guys want to know why I like the anime Naruto so much? If you guys know Naruto, you guys know that in the anime, Naruto is a loser. He's got the worst score in the class. No one believed in him. And he kept talking about nonsense, about becoming the next Hokage, the village leader, the best shinobi, the best ninja, right? I really love that anime because I feel like I can relate to it so much. Growing up, I was the class clown. Didn't get the best grades, my dad beat my ass because I did not care about school. But also because through hard work and determination, he shut everybody up and he became the village hero. That's why I love Naruto so much. Starting my brand, no one believed in me. My parents didn't believe in me. My aunt didn't believe in me. I had people tell me, you're a fucking loser, go back to school. And you know what I said? I said, watch me, I'm gonna fucking do it. I told you guys in the other video, watch me, I'm gonna get a GTR, and I did it. You know why? It's because I believed in myself, and I believed it. Naruto's quote, he always says, believe it. No matter what anybody told him, he believed it. And a subscriber made this for me. I was super drunk at Tune in Tokyo. I forgot the dude's name, but thank you so much. If you guys want to send any dope stuff to us, P.O. Box is right here. I just want to give you guys a little motivation to start your day, because if I didn't believe in myself, I don't think any of this would happen. Check this out. Hundreds of orders going out. We got a whole bunch more over there, and the mailman picked up all the other stuff the other day. We still have over 300 orders left to do. I want you guys to believe in yourself. If you guys are new to the channel, go back to some of my old videos. You guys will see where I came from. 1-bedroom apartment. And before that was even, I was renting in a room with, you know, other people. Believe in yourself, follow your dreams, because before anyone else can believe in you, you gotta believe in yourself first. So I hope I can inspire some of you guys to do great. All right, let's get started with today's video. If you guys have been keeping up with the videos, you guys will know that my choice was between the HKS blowout valve or the Blitz blowout valve. So, boom, before we get started, I ordered this from Nangun Performance, straight from Japan. These guys are the shit. Anything that has been sold out in America, I go on Nangun and they have it in stock. And there's express shipping and everything, so I got it so fast. I've had this here for a while. So, ready for the review? Let's go. Bam, I had to go with the Blitz blowout valve. So you guys already know why I went with the Blitz blowout valve. I'm just kidding, you guys probably don't. But the reason I went with the Blitz blowout valve is because, one, Christian already has the HKS. If we both have HKS blowout valves, it's gonna sound the same. So I wanted to go with something different, and I have Blitz wheels. So, why not get the Blitz blowout valve, right? Let's open this thing up. GTR BN R32. That's me. Japanese. The Blitz blowout valve is better than the HKS. Period. Okay, some hardware and sick. The Blitz Twin blowout valve. I'm so excited to hear how the car sounds with the blowout valve. Oh, is that the 4-year anniversary hoodie? Ooh, you guys like it? If you guys like it, head to the website and cop some before they're gone. The Sandstorm hoodies are almost gone, but we have these in stock, and black is also everybody's favorite. The quality is amazing. We have lanyards, air fresheners, license plate frames, bad bitches. You guys know the rest. Boom, right here. So I forgot something really important. We got a new car right behind this door. Someone in the group got a new car. Can you guys guess what kind of car it is? Pause this video right now and actually pause it, go down and comment. We picked up a new car for Vu the other day, so I'm gonna reveal it right now for you guys. You guys ready? No fucking way. That's probably what you guys are saying right now, right? Look at this unmolested S13. And it's a coupe. Look at this. No dents, no nothing. Cracks on the bumper, of course, normal shit. But look, the whole body is still amazing. All stock everything, open diff still, so this thing has never been drifted. And you guys will never guess how much he paid for it. Nope, not 4K. Nope, not 3K. He paid $1,500 for this. Vu got this car from Christian's Uncle John. Shout out to John, he watches all of our videos. Vu got this car for a fucking steal. What do you guys think? Do you guys think $1,500 is a steal? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys want to follow Vu, now Vu is gonna finally have car stuff to post on his Instagram. Never thought Vu was gonna be picking up a 240SX, but you know what? It happened. So Vu's gonna be drifting with us too. Damn, RB26 looking real good though. Tune coming soon, alright guys? I know a whole bunch of you guys have been commenting about that, but one step at a time. So before we can install the blow-off valve, we're gonna need to take off the front bumper because I believe the stock blow-off valves are in this area. I've never taken off this bumper, so I guess let's find out how to do that right now. Oh man, this bumper is actually a lot harder to take off than I thought. There's a whole bunch of hidden screws under here, and after trying to pull it off, you actually have to take off the license plate bracket, and there's 3 screws down here, and it's just a whole bunch of hidden shit, but it's ready to be pulled off right now. Yo, how cool does this look right now? It looks pretty cool without the amber signals. Yo. Damn, never seen this car with the bumper off before. Holy crap, this looks insane. So this is what we're gonna be removing and replacing. These two with the Blitz blow-off valve. It's all nasty and rusted. Finally got these fuckers out. Bam, there it is. Had to take off the intercooler piping to get the second one to fit, but let's put everything back on. I also had to... Shut the fuck up, Thomas, I'm vlogging, bitch! It also came with a cap to cap this off, so we're not gonna be using this anymore. It's just gonna be straight from here to there. Dude, it's fucking hard. Fuck you! Intercooler! Piping! Ugh. Fucking bitch.
Oh, don't lose that one, yeah?
Yeah, oh, thank God.
Oh
it's
my
on.
God.
Dude, I was battling this for like a cool minute. Whew, wow, easiest install of my life. Didn't take me that long. It only took me about an hour and a half to figure things out. Just kidding. How I had it earlier, so this blow-off valve was facing towards the intercooler piping, and it made it harder for me to put on. So I actually went back and I faced them in a different direction, and I cut this little bracket right here, just so that these two fit, and now both blow-off valves are facing the same direction. I don't know if that's good or bad, but hey, it fits. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Maybe having them both facing the same direction will make it sound a lot cooler. All right, guys, so I don't like the grill on this, or that, whatever the fuck that is. We're taking that off, just cause. Oh, Thomas back to work. I like how in yesterday's video, Thomas crawled out of it. Now you guys see him crawl back under it.
The fuck?
Damn. Hey, Boo, you want this?
Yeah.
Oh, I got
New grill for the barbecue.
Bumper's back on, everything is on. Check this out. Look at that. Without that little grill anymore, it sort of looks a lot better, right?
Yeah, it looks clean.
And we're gonna go for a ride, but check this out. Butt's a little bit dirty. I got a solution for that.
Oh.
Oh, should have taken off my shoes. I'm a fucking idiot. Now it's, oh my God. Let's go for a ride.
Let's go. Whose pants are those?
I am handsome as hell.
Setting trends.
Oh, did you, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Can you hear that?
Yeah, I can hear it. It was like...
like the blow-off valve on this car is under the bumper, so it's a little bit harder to hear. And I don't know how good the audio is on here. We can definitely hear it, right?
Yeah, for
And
sure.
it sounds pretty good. And it definitely sounds different than an HKS, that's for sure. The exhaust on this car is so loud too that it sort of masks it. There we go. Sounds good.
What's up, YouTube? Getting a ride along with Randy Trung with his new BOV. Let's hear this shit. What's up, Mr. Boxers?
Hello. Oh, there we go. That's sounding a lot better.
Yeah, maybe it's breaking in now. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
okay.
It leaves like a lingering like hiss too.
It's getting louder as I'm driving it. Maybe
Yeah.
I have to break it in.
Yeah, I think
Because the
you do.
springs, right?
Absolutely. The springs are brand new right now, so they're probably really stiff. Yeah,
go.
it's sounding good, dude.
Yeah,
I personally think when Randy gets a tune or something, or like tunes up the car and pushes a little more boost, it'll sound a lot better too. But right now it sounds sick.
All right, guys. Boxer Man's gonna try to see if I can get you guys better audio on this side, because the blow-off valve is on this side. Oh yeah, definitely. Just showered. Ooh, feel great. I'm going to the bank with Kaz right now. Gonna make a really big purchase for the S13. Oh, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned though and find out. Yeah, I'm really excited. Big moves.
Big moves.
So, and we're gonna go grab some food right now. So, figure might as well take you guys along. All right, guys. So since Kaz is helping me out with the S13 something, I'm gonna take Kaz to another favorite spot of mine. Where are we going?
Cha-cha sushi, baby.
Yup. If you guys are from San Jose, you guys definitely know where this is. Cha-cha sushi. Bruh. Hit it, Kaz. Bruh, we killed everything.
You killed everything.
Fuck you, bitch. You left me like 2. Kaz, what are your thoughts on the GTR right now?
I love it, bro.
Me
fucking
too.
perfect.
Me too. What was that?
I forgot which side I was on. Every time, bro. Every time.
Let's head back home. The homies and I went to Fremont Skate Park to do a little skateboarding, and guess what happened? Yep, started sprinkling. So we're back home. But something came in the mail again, so let's go open it up. All right, stickers are out.
Yeah,
And
they
guess
are.
what? Look at this. They're all lining up. We got some stickers from the homies Severe Sky. And like always, we're gonna share it with the homies. You guys ready for this? Let's show them the titties after.
Yeah.
All right, let's start with these right here. Much kawaii. Ooh, hey, never mind. Titties are right here.
You know what this is inspired of?
What?
It's the fractal wave, the Japanese fractal wave.
Well, no shit, Christian.
Oh, well, shit. I'm just being myself informative.
I'm pretty sure everyone knows what this wave is, but I'm pretty sure they also know who this is. He sent over another version of Kakashi. Oh my god, it's Asian Luke! Yeah! Lukashi. Hold on, Luke's got a new channel, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, what do you need them to do?
Subscribe.
Hey,
And
simple.
watch videos so I can get monetized, maybe.
Yeah, go watch his videos, guys. He's got some crazy shit coming.
Or not monetized like that kind of.
Still not monetized.
When you're waiting for monetization. So you bum it until you get there.
How's it being monetized?
That's nice.
You're not uploading shit. Head to his channel, go comment, come back to YouTube. This man's needs to start uploading. Look at that.
Not another 1,000. You would already have it. Oh, just
I love you, Randy. Squeeze my titties.
Hey, look.
This one's like,
Oh, Christian's here. Let me put these back on.
Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for today's video. We wanted to get like a skateboarding vlog and all that stuff for you guys, but that's not gonna happen because it started raining. So if you guys like these stickers, head to Severe Sky's Instagram and turn on post notifications. He's got a whole bunch more stickers on his Instagram, so go check those out and don't forget to what are you?
Like, comment,
and subscribe.